Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Krishna Flute Academy YouTube channel. Today in this video, I want to share with you a couple of important practice which will help you to a smooth transitions between ma to pa. This ma to pa transition is every beginner's nightmares. Okay, so today I want to share a couple of practice. If you do so, then your ma to pa transitions will be more smoother than currently what you are doing. Okay, these are all kind of paltas or alankars, if you can say. So let's start. First one, I'm taking B scale flute. So you can choose any flute of you. So now see, it is B scale flute. I am starting now. First one is ma pa ga pa re pa sa pa. So ma pa ga pa re pa sa pa ni pa dha pa pa pa. Before you go ahead, do some shadow practice. Ma pa ga pa re pa sa pa ni pa dha pa pa pa. Then you approach for the blow. Okay, let me play. Go very slow. Please use metronome. These will help you to speed up and speed down, tempo high, tempo low, but your rhythm sense will be perfect. Okay, number one. Number two, so what I did, ma pa ga ma pa ga ma pa re ga ma pa sa re ga ma pa ni sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa re ga ma pa. Pyramid starting from pa. Number three. So what I did, sa re ga ma pa ma ga re ga ma pa dha pa ma ga, sa re ga ma 1 2 3 4 pa ma ga re. So sa re ga ma pa. So pa will be ma plus 1. So 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2. This is the formula. Sa re ga ma pa ma ga re. Before you play, again do some shadow practice. Sa re ga ma pa ma ga re. Re ga ma pa dha pa ma ga ma pa dha ni dha pa ma pa dha ni sa ni dha pa ma pa dha ni dha pa ma ga ma pa. Like that it will be going down also. So I am playing one more time. The speed you will never can achieve in first day, but if you play consistently with metronome, then dhire dhire, if you BPM raise, then you practice 4x4, then you can achieve a little speed, but do not hurry for the first time. Go very slow. Now next, you can go for pa ma ga re sa re ga ma also, means reverse. You did sa re ga ma pa ma ga re. Now we can do pa ma ga re sa re ga ma. Then what will be the next? Dha pa ma ga. This is another practice of the previous one. Now next one is ga ma pa ma ga. What I am doing, ga ma pa ma ga re ga ma pa ma ga. So pa ma ga is fixed. I am changing ga ma pa re ga ma sa re ga ni sa re dha ni sa pa dha ni. Ga ma pa re ga ma sa re ga ni sa re dha ni sa pa dha ni. Now adding with every time pa ma ga. So again you do shadow, then you go for the actual practice, and this is 3/4 playing. Next, and for today it is the last practice. I will give some more practice on this, but this 5 tasks will be sufficient if you practice. The next, this one is gamma pama gamma. So pama gamma is fixed, and now I am doing gamma pama gamma, then rega pama gamma. So if you are uncomfortable, what is now practice gamma rega sare nisa dhani padha. Couple of times if you practice, then you add pama gamma. That much is for today. Hope you understood, and I wish you practice and your problem of mapa will overcome. That is only I can pray. Practice, then only your movement of finger will improve. Okay, please practice. If you have any problem, you can put down in the comment section. Okay, bye bye, see you.